Hello, welcome to Infinite Beauty channel. My name is Angeline and today I'm here to show you how to do protective hairstyles the right way. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. Also, if you enjoyed the video, remember to leave me a like and I really appreciate it. So since I started my natural hair journey, I have been doing protective hairstyles and I've noticed they've really helped me with my length as well as retaining my hair volume. But with time I noticed that whenever I did a protective hairstyle, I was still losing my hairline. I came to the conclusion that I was doing it the wrong way. But today I'm here to share with you what I've learned and how I learned to do it the right way. So what I noticed is that I wasn't just breaking my hair in front of my head, but all around my hairline I was still losing my hair. So with that conclusion I started experimenting and I came to a kind of conclusion with a solution. So today I'm here to share with you, and with that, let's get on with the video. So first I'm starting by showing you how not to do it. This is how I used to do it. I used to put my crocheting hook through the base of the knot, and after that I make the braid. This used to really hurt at the bottom. As you can see here, even my hair is lifting, even my skin, you can see how tight it is. And so this is where I started the rehabilitation, because I realized that my hair was suffering. As you can see, it's still broken in some parts, but yes, this is how I used to do it. And so these parts you're seeing, they used to have no hair at all. It was just painful little blisters there all the time, so I didn't have hair. But as you can see, this is kind of new growth, and I'm really liking it, even though it looks like so many tiny curls, but I really like it. So for the right way of doing it, instead of putting the hook through the base of the knot, I count a few stitches above it and I put the hook through there and I put the braid. And we start making our braid. I kind of believe this is the better way to do it, because my hair is already telling me that, and I'm happy with it. So I hope this one helps you, and maybe let me know if it helps. As I continue on with the braid, I think you can see it's not as tight as it was. Doesn't even feel any more pain as it was feeling before. So I hope this one helps you. I hope you have learned something. Also, if it helps, please let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Also leave a like if you enjoyed it, if it helps you, and switch on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Also, bye.